In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Fortnite crash and technical issues on your PC. So we are now in epicgames.com in their help section. So uh, there are a few things you can do. The first of which is to verify all your game files on Epic Games. So to do this, you need Epic Games open. And then in Epic Games, look on your left-hand side and you're going to see Store Library, Unreal Engine. Click on Library and it's going to show you your games that you have on your Epic Games library. And what you need to do is click on the three dots under Fortnite. As you can see here, there are three dots here. Click on that and a pop-up will appear, right? So in this pop-up, you need to click on Manage. And a new pop-up will appear that says Verify, Auto Update, Create Desktop. So what you want to do is to verify your files to see whether or not there are corrupted files or files that are damaged or needs to be fixed by Epic Games. So click on that, right? And it's gonna verify your files. As you can see here, verifying, and it's downloading, reading, writing, and just wait for it to finish. This might take some time, so let's go back to the other ways to do this. You can also update your video graphic card drivers. So this can be NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Another way is to disable background applications that you don't need that are running in the background. So open Task Manager and just see the files that you don't use and just end task. Click on end task. For example, gaming service, we're not using that, so click end task and it's going to be done. Same with Microsoft Edge, we're not using Edge, we're a Chrome user, so click end task so it's not running on the background. Another way is to repair your Visual CC Plus. So click on this and then just download the latest version. So it's going to be always the x64. Click on this, right? And wait for it to finish. All right, now that that's done, just click on it, right? And here it's going to say repair or uninstall. Just click on repair and it should sort that out and then restart your PC. So we want to not do that. And then go back to Epic Games. As you can see, it's still verifying and see whether or not this is the files that are fixed. As you see here, they're fine. And those are the ways you can do this. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.